Hi, today we are gonna bake a apple pie. I hope you will enjoy the video and, of course, the pie. So here's the apple filling ingredients. First, we have 8 small apples, peeled, cored, and sliced. Not in that order, though. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We just had it out of the microwave, so it's hot, so I'm not gonna touch it. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Half a cup or 100 grams of sugar. 3 tablespoons or 26 grams of flour. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're gonna set the oven to 180 degrees. Mine is really easy to do, but yours is probably hard. Just for mine, you can just put upside down the dot. So I got the ready crust already, but you might have to make it. Anyway, so you just put the apples in here after you did the things, yeah. I might need to get a little spoon. Oh, that was lucky. So you're gonna squish the apples into it so they won't go out when it's baking in the oven. But I already did that. So now we're making the crumb topping. So first you need half a cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, 3/4 of a cup of 106 grams flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 8 tablespoons of 85 grams of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let me just smell it. Oh yeah, that's so good. We're gonna put this in the fridge so it will harden because there's butter in here, and it will be easier for us to make crumbs. So after taking this out of the fridge, you can make it into crumbs, but I'm gonna do this because I want there to be stripes on my pie. So I'm gonna do this. So we just finished doing the stripes, and since there was even more, so we decided to put lines around it, as you can see. Now it's time to start putting it in the oven. So we got it. Whoa, that's going hot in my face. Bye pie. So I forgot to say that you also have to bake the pie for 45 minutes, but it's already been 5 minutes. Now it's time to take out the pie. Look how delicious it is. Is that a bubble? It was too hot for me to take the pie out, so I asked my mom to do it. Sorry. But look at it. And there's bubbles on it.